Ranking only on Google search is not enough these days. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, there are so many AI tools. Want to rank on them, including Google search. Today, I'm gonna explain one of the most important tool where you can try it for free, and the premium features are amazing. So I will share my screen and I'll show you. By the way, this video is sponsored by Yoast SEO and it is celebrating 15 years of anniversary, and you can use my code which is mentioned in the description exclusively. You can check out from there. Let me share my screen and show you how this tool will help you to rank on all these platforms step by step. So I guess you can see my screen, right? So this is the website right now what I have. If I want to show you, this is how it is looking. This is the article basically what I have. Now I'll show you how you can rank this article on all these platforms which I mentioned: Google search, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and all. So first, what you need to do is like install a plugin, Yoast SEO. Add plugin and click on Yoast SEO. So can you see this? 10 million active people and all 5 stars. This is how your journey will start, from red to orange to green. Excited? I will show you what are these colors and how to use them. So install, and once it got installed, you need to click on activate. So click on activate. So if you are using yours for the very first time, I will show you all the things what you need to do. First, click on start first time configuration and join the waitlist. How does your brand show up in AI responses? Very, very interesting, right? That is the reason I told you. Click on join the waitlist and give your name and email and click on subscribe. Okay, don't forget the step. Next, what you need to do is like click on start data optimizing. Once it is done, so click on continue. And here the most important, are you an individual person or an organization? Choose accordingly. So what is your website name? I used it like Team Trido. Okay, organization name is Trido. And you can upload the logo. As of now, I don't have any logo. I'm picking up some random one. Okay, so I am choosing it from my desktop right now. Okay, uploaded. And most important thing, give alt text and title. So Trido School logo. So here also copy this and paste it here and click on select. Once the logo is updated, click on save and continue. Now, if you can add your social profile, well and good. Please add all your social profiles, your Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. So click on, once you added them, click on save and continue. If you want me to show, I'll show you. So example, I'll show you one. This is my Instagram profile. Okay. Now what I do, I'll go here. I will click on another profile and save and continue. So if you need daily tips, tricks from SEO, so it's Yoast SEO team exclusively. So give your email ID and yes, give me free tips. It will be really, really helpful. So provide your email ID. Once this is done, so click on learn how to increase your rankings with Yoast SEO. Anyway, I'm teaching you. So you don't need it. Just click on go to your Yoast SEO dashboard. Got it? So what you need to do is like just go to post. This is the most important thing. This post we will optimize it using Yoast SEO, which will help us to rank in the all search engines and including AI tools as well. So click on edit. Right now, if you see, there are two most important things. SEO is showing red and readability is green. Remember, whenever you're writing an article or something on your site, it has to be green, SEO and readability. Right now, readability is in green and SEO is in red. So I will show you how you can make it green, and also I'll explain readability for you so that you can understand what does these two typically mean. But before that, let me set a feature image for this as of now. Upload image, because our blog article is not having any. So same, upload the title. Okay. and alt text for every image whatever you're uploading. So now it is done and it is uncategorized. So we'll make it category. We'll have a category name Trido. So let us imagine you are adding anything related to health, tech on your thing, on your website. So please mention the category, what category article you are writing. Click on save. Let's get back to this. Let's go to readability first. Here you see passive voice. That means you're not using too much of passive voice. That's great. The most important thing, you should not use too much of passive voice. If you click on I button, it will show you all the lines which is not using much of passive voice. Whenever you write article, make sure you remember this. Okay. And second, here you see the most important, consecutive sentences. There are no repetitive sentences beginning, sentence beginnings. That's great. You should not have this. Very important. Okay. Subheadline distribution. If you see, we have a subheadline here, we have a subheadline here, we have a subheadline here. So every topic or every word whatever you are writing, there is a subheadline for it, so that people will understand at least what does this exactly mean by reading this subheadline. So make sure you have a good subheadline distribution. Paragraph length. There are no paragraphs that are too long, because if you observe, anybody in the world, majority of them hates reading long paragraphs. If you can break it into small 2-line, 3 lines paragraphs, it is good to read. And sentence length is also great. Whatever the sentences you are using, it is very great. Now let us imagine transition words. We will make this also green. Only 25% of sentences contain transition words, which is not enough. Okay, so that means we should use in fact, moreover, therefore, these kind of words. I have already copied it. So let me show you. So let us copy only 4 of them right now, not more than. As I told you, moreover, in fact, as a result, for example, we will upload here. So don't paste it just like that. I'm showing you an example of how to use it. Okay, it should match with the flow of your article. It is not like forcefully inserting. Remember, that's the most important thing. Right now you see it went to 29.7. Okay, we'll add few more and see whether it turns green or not. Now you see transition words, well done. Now readability is green. Let's go and do for SEO. So let us imagine focus key phrase. I've also written it down. So I don't have a focus key phrase. Right now, this is my focus keyword which I want to target. Okay, if somebody searching Trido School 1% agency, my results needs to be right top. Okay, now I need to update my SEO title. So I'll pick this title. Okay, and I will paste it here. Remember, it should be in the green. Okay, it should not exceed more than that. Now let me add a meta description for it. Okay, so slug, I'll write about Trido. Now you see. So this is went bit lengthy. It is in orange, not green. What I do, I'll remove this. And now it is in green. Okay, but still from red, SEO analysis turned orange. I told you, right? Red, orange and green. Now let's try to make it green. Okay, these are the things which you need to focus on. There is no outbound links. Example, if I want to link this mentorship to my website, there will be an outbound link. Now you see outbound link turned green. Okay, that's how you optimize the post. Okay, next let us imagine I will show you the hardest thing. Key phrase introduction. Your key phrase or synonyms do not appear in the first paragraph. Okay, so I also have this. So we will change the first paragraph of our article. Everything Yoast SEO will take care. Okay, just follow the instructions. So we'll change the first one and we'll make it this. You see, key phrase is also in a good. Okay, so now if you observe, SEO turned green. Make sure it is green and it is also green. And you can also update all these things. You should have an internal links. Okay, a key phrase in the meta description. In the meta description, what we uploaded should have a key phrase. Okay, once you've done, click on save. Now let us Go to the site and see how it is doing. Okay, so we'll refresh, we'll clean cache and we'll refresh. Okay, so this is the article. If you click here, you see Yoast SEO turned green. SEO score is green, readability is green. Okay, and it has some premium features. I love using them. So workouts and redirects. So you make sure checking out Yoast SEO plugin from the description. And remember, Yoast is celebrating 15 years of anniversary and giving 15% discount. You can use my exclusive coupon, which is mentioned in the description and in the first pinned comment. Make sure you try it and just let me know how does it work for you. And it worked for me like a magic because I'm using this from so many years for my HelloViru website as well. See you with the next video.